Hi, this is Donnell from AMP CAD/CAM Solutions. In this video series, I will demonstrate how to create this jack assembly. We will be going through it part by part, as you can see here. And thereafter, I will demonstrate how to assemble the parts as shown here. And the assembly itself is actually able to move. The purpose of this video series is not necessarily to teach you how to create a jack assembly, but more so to help you practice the skills that are necessary to make the assembly. That involves sheet metal and general part design, as well as the different mates involved in assemblies. So keep a lookout on our YouTube channel and come and learn with me.